Hi everyone, I would like to introduce you Mr. Prasad, our Glojas ambassador. Mr. Prasad, I would like you to share with us your experience in Glojas.
Hi Nas, thank you for having me.
It's always a pleasure.
Same here. So today I'd like to share my secret, what I've been doing in Glojas. So if you guys notice, before this I had slightly thinning hair, and thanks to SMART PRP that's only available in Glojas, I managed to not only to make my hair more dense and thick and more healthier. Over the span of 2 months, I realized my hair, which has been thinning in my crowning area, had become thicker and far more healthier. For those guys and girls out there who have hair issues, this is the place to be because SMART PRP is only available in Glojas. The best thing about SMART PRP is the technique that they use, the technology that's being used, and the machine and Dr. Jaz's special skills. So this is what plays an important role in making sure a good hair growth. For those of you who says, oh, there's a lot of other clinics that does PRP. Yes, there are many clinics who does that, but only here we have SMART PRP, which is the best treatment for hair.
Thank you so much, Mr. Prasad. Thank you for your time.
Thank you for having me. Thank you.
My pleasure.